Hey guys, I just wanted to, I came across this, and then I'm like, oh, you know what? This would be a great tip for people, right? So what this is I am rating, I am leaving a comment, right, about to help other people. Now, I'm giving a lot of detail here, okay? So I got it from my mom. She absolutely loves them because her eyes lit up. So right then and there, I'm starting it off with something positive, and this is all 100% real. Everything that I say here, and what will happen is, if you realize that the information I give you, that you are like around the same parameters, I guess, on size as my mother is, then you're gonna love these things. If they look like they do in the picture, it does. So yeah, then like I go to say, well, she's worried because when she was wearing her sandals, and every time she stepped, it felt like it was like pulling, so she was worried that the chain might break underneath. And so I said, okay, we'll just give it here, and then because I make jewelry as well, so I just put a couple links on there. I put 3 links on there, and then there was no worries. Now, why am I saying this? Because if anybody does decide to buy this, right, and they look and they see me and what I'm saying, they can reference that. But even if they get it like in their mail and they put it on, if it is tight like that, you can put extra links on the bottom. In fact, the bottom is the only one that kind of determines the size, I think. Like, I didn't take like a really good look at it, but even looking at the picture, you can imagine like that's where it's at, right? So I'm giving a solution to a problem here. Okay, now, great gift, keep in mind, and I tell what her size is. Okay, and then I say, I hope this helps. Now, what I want to show you, okay, what I want to show you guys is, okay, I am getting a passive income right now. Okay, for every time I do something like this, rate something like this, I get money into an account. I never thought there would be a truly passive income anything. It's all like semi-passive. You gotta still set it up at least, right? Well, no, yeah, this one, no, you don't need email. All you need is, all I get is your email, and then you start racking up points. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'll do another video on that, okay? So now, this is crazy. This is crazy. When I give all this information, this is pro information. But it seems like every time I do this, right, there was always like one guy randomly that people were liking his more. So I don't know if it's because it goes past a certain date or time or something, or because like he's there longer, so there's more people will just click because they think it's better than mine. I don't know, but I was always in like second or third. Now, I left one of these like comments, rate, whatever, one time, and I kind of stumbled across something. So if you give a lot of information and the other guy gives a lot of information, and both your information are correct when you're rating something, right, and commenting, but check this out. This is how I took every single first spot. Watch this. You want to know a secret? Check this shit. Check this out. Boom. That's it. That got me above those other people. So now everybody's going good. Like, that thing, is this helpful? And I go, yes, thankful, right? So I'm giving a lot here, right? And it only took me a little bit. And check this out. I rank higher with Google. So like eventually, yeah, you can. I'll discuss that. That's a long tutorial even talking. But no, just keep this in mind. So if you already know before I make the video on how to make money like 4 or 5 different ways with just doing this in life, which is really fast, right? Like, I'll put another video on. Now, that heart, man. I just fell upon it. It was a review that I felt it fitted. I can't remember what, but because I do so many of these. But yep. So I noticed that one right away. So I tried it the second time, and it did. I got first place and all positive feedback. So for each one of those, I go up like another notch. Okay, I don't know, like, without telling you exactly how all this works in this video, because nobody has time. I mean, it's only 5 minutes. So look, I'll make a video. Okay, but down in the comments. Oh yeah, and if you love my channel, please like and subscribe and check out all my other things. Help me get monetized. That's my rhyme. Okay. Yeah, but anyways, sorry it's not full screen. It's just anytime I copy from my phone, I'm using X Recorder, which is awesome because, it can act like a mouse. It always stays on top, but when I take a picture, does it go into the picture? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, it does. Oh, that's strange. I thought it didn't. It shouldn't. But anyways, yeah, you can keep it on top. You can toggle it to the bottom. This X Recorder in the I think it's like $2, $3 or something for like life, I think, or something. Yeah, it's something really cheap. But it's so cool, and especially as I'm teaching, this is a great teaching tool. Like, I'm teaching people how to like do some pretty wild things just because we connect, and then basically video chat, but then I turn on the X Recorder, and now that person sees what I see. So they don't see my face anymore, they see my phone, and then I go through it. I still see their face, but they see what I'm doing on my phone, okay, with the X Recorder. So that's a second great tip in this video, okay? I'm not, I'd love to be monetized, but the one thing I don't like, and the one thing you will not find me doing, is trying to prolong any information just because they need more watch hours. Okay, I do want to be monetized, and I appreciate everything, every like, whatever, every view, every subscription, right? But one thing you will not find from me is I will never do that. I have a tendency to go, to talk too much or make videos too long. That's by fault, right? So I'm just saying, like, I'm gonna get better and better, right? But you can definitely count on me not sitting there and like stringing you along, because the longer you watch me, the more money I'm gonna get. This, that. You'll never find that from my channel. Just gotta say, because I can tell so many people are doing it right now. So yeah, like and subscribe. Ciao for now. Oh yeah, okay. So you see how I skipped that whatever, and then boom, leave comment, whatever. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. New video. Yeah, we're going way over. Okay, bye. Bye for now.